All right, so today your assignment is actually to go on to Onshape. And if you did yesterday's assignment, this won't be too hard. You should have solved yours into cube. Yours will be better. I'm missing like two parts right here because I'm missing a whole side, like a 1/3 of my cube is missing here. So you should have your fully what's called an assembly right here. You guys see at the bottom it says assembly. That should be done. If you go to Part Studio, there'll be four parts: one here, and one here, one here, one here. Oh, okay. One there, and one there, all drawn separately. And then you kind of hide them and then go ahead and sketch and draw a new one. And you should have all your parts in one. So then you were supposed to, on assignment, use an assembly, and you have this guy here. So what are we doing today? We're doing something called an explosion view. So we're going to go to exploded view right here, and I'm going to click it. And then we can try to, I think we can just minimize this right here. Let's see, can we hide that? There we go. It gives me a little bit more room. And add exploded view. Go ahead and add one. And then the first thing we're going to do is click on something like this part right here. And choose which direction you want it to move. Do you want it to move straight up or out? Obviously, I'm not going to make it move to the right because it wouldn't be able to do that at all. So you wouldn't want to do that. Let's see here. So I'm going to do, I think I'll do this way. Why not? So let me drag it out there, and I'm going to push check mark. Got it? So we're still, this is step one, by the way. So we're still in exploded view one. This is step one. All right, now this piece right here, I think what I'll do is drag it outward, and it should automatically tell you that this is step two. There it is right there. And click check mark, and then rotate around by right clicking, and you can kind of try to get a view of both parts, the gray and the blue, and select that part, and then go ahead and drag it out, and then click check mark, and zoom out and rotate as necessary to show how each part lined up, and then click done, and that's it. So if you look, you have this one, double click on it, boom, then double click on it, boom, and double click, and it slides out. And this is this looks really cool when you have something like with a bunch of screws and bolts and pieces to it. This one only has like a few parts to it on your puzzle, but make sure you slide them out so that it's actually possible to do. In other words, I don't want this one sliding this way because this gray pole would have been in the way, so you don't want to do that. Also, I would like to note that that in our regular software we use in this class, we would be able to not only do this, but also animate it and turn it into a video. So you'd be able to post it on a PowerPoint or whatever. And so there'd be a full video of this thing kind of moving and pulling out slowly, piece by piece by piece, looking like somebody's just kind of pulling pieces of it out. So someone can see how the thing is assembled part by part in reverse. You could also reverse the video and then show it all coming together if you want, or both. So, and it gives people a good idea of how the thing is put together. And that's pretty much it.